Thank you for purchasing the High and Dry Vertical Log Stacker. Our log stacker is available in both a 2x4 and a 4x4 version. Today we'll be demonstrating the 4x4 version. Please consult the Design Specialties instruction manual to ensure you have all the pictured pieces. Design Specialties requires that you purchase two 8-foot nominal size 4x4s and recommends them to be cut at 2 and 6 foot lengths and finished to your choice. You will also need a drill, a 1/2-inch wrench, and a hammer to complete this project today. Next, we're going to assemble the base assembly. Find the first base plate and insert bolts through provided holes. Now set the bolts on the top of the board and align the back of the base plate with the back of the base. Insert bolts into the opposite side base plate and tighten bolts by hand. Install 3 wood screws into the base plate for additional support. Insert the vertical support between the 2 carriage bolts. Secure vertical support with 2 additional carriage bolts at the top of the base plate. Tighten all 4 bolts with a 1/2-inch wrench. Repeat process on the opposite side. We recommend the nuts go on the inside. Place shelf at desired height. Secure shelf with Design Specialties snug wedge. Repeat the process for the second and third shelves. Secure the Design Specialties snug wedge with a hammer. Repeat on all 6 snug wedges. Optional screw holes are provided for additional support. Now your high and dry log stacker is looking great and ready for use.